How to delete Facebook Lite account. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step if you would like to do so. So let's just get started. First of all, you can just head over and open our Facebook Lite application and log in into the account that you would like to delete. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this home interface. Now what you can do is locate up the three holes and the lines in the top left corner, tap on it. And once you tap on it, it opens up a profile. Now from the given options, you may scroll down, look for the option of settings, tap on it, and from here, locate up the option of account center and tap on it. And once you tap on account center, you will be getting different kind of options available. You can look out for this option of manage accounts at the very last and tap on it. And it should give you some options. Look out for account ownership and control. And once you find it, we have this option of deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and tap on it. And it gives you option to deactivate or delete your account. Tap on your Facebook profile first. And it leads you to another page. Now from the given options, scroll down, select the second option, delete account, since we are deleting our account, and tap on continue. And once you do so, you will be taken to another page. If you have any pages or profile associated with your account, it should also be deleted. So tap on continue. And you can select up a reason before deleting. So let's say I would say this much and continue. After that, you can just continue the process and you will be getting an option to permanently delete your account. So it still asks you if you would like to deactivate your account, but you need to overlook that and scroll down until you reach over to the section continue, tap on it, and it gives you option. So you need to enter your password for the one last time if you would like to continue the process. Once you enter your password and continue confirm it, your account should be deleted. And within 30 days, if you try to relog in, your account will be reactivated. But if you pass the 30 days time, your account should be deleted permanently. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to delete your Facebook Lite account as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.